Let's talk about 4 back to school must-haves that you just might not have thought about, but will make a huge difference. I don't know how you guys do, but here at our house, we like to sleep in the summer. And so I don't wake my son up. He gets up whenever he wants to and gets as much sleep as his body needs. But when school time rolls around, that transition is very hard if you just go from getting up at 8 o'clock to getting up at 6:45. So here's what I've been doing for the last few years the week before school starts. I will get him up at 7 o'clock. He normally gets up at 6:45 for school, so that's just a 15-minute window that his body is going to have to acclimate to. So you might try that, getting into the bedtime routine a week before so that your child is just ready to go and they're not as cranky the week of school. Anytime you get a group of kids together, there are going to be germs involved. It's just a natural part of life. It's actually okay for your kids to be around germs. So we try to do preventive care as much as possible. One of the things we do is elderberry syrup. Elderberries are fabulous natural immune boosters. I give him about a teaspoon of this a day, and then if and when he gets sick, I just boost it up and give him a bit more to help his body just work it out. So if you need a recipe for the elderberry syrup, I have a great one. Very simple, 5 ingredients. You boil it, and then you add honey to it whenever it's finished boiling. Or you can buy it at the store. Having as much white space or empty space on your calendar the first week of school or the first weekend of school will be so helpful for your family. Not only for your kids, but for you too, because your kids are going through such a huge transition. They're going into a new grade, they're going into a new classroom, new teacher, they're trying to be as good as they can at school. And so allowing them to just come home and be as much as possible. I know schedules are crazy, but this makes such a huge difference to just eliminating meltdowns, especially for the younger kids. I'll never forget what a more experienced mom told me years ago. It has stuck with me through the years, and I have even done it myself. On the first day back to school, she would celebrate the fact that they had a great summer. They made it through the summer. It wasn't perfect, but they had a great summer together, and she would go and take herself out to breakfast. And so I want you to do the same. I want you to get, whether it be something as small as getting a coffee for yourself, your favorite coffee, or go get a massage. Whatever sounds fun to you. I want you to celebrate the fact that you had a wonderful summer, not perfect, wonderful summer together with your kiddos.